Welcome you all to today's crochet inspirations. These 50 ideas are unique and amazing. You need to really check this out to know your next project. In section 1, we have home decor. We're starting off strong with the ultimate cozy maker, a chunky throw blanket. Imagine curling up with it on movie nights or draping it over your couch for that Pinterest perfect vibe. Go for soft pastel yarns to keep it warm and aesthetic. You can even use the waffle stitch for texture that looks so satisfying on camera. Next up, we have boho wall hanging. Let's bring some personality to those walls. Crochet wall hangings are artsy, creative, and super simple. Mix fringe, shells, and wooden beads for a full boho moment. Perfect background piece for your room or craft corner. Next, we have granny square pillow. Oh, you knew this one was coming. Granny squares aren't just for blankets anymore. Turn them into adorable pillow covers. Play with color combos or go monochrome for that soft, minimal look. This instantly makes any bed or couch cuter. Next, we have crochet rug. Ever tried crocheting your own rug? Oh my goodness, it's addictive. Use t-shirt yarn or thick cotton rope for a sturdy, washable piece. Round, oval, or heart shape, totally up to you. Is a perfect weekend project that instantly upgrades your space. Plant pot covers. For my plant parents out there, this one's a must. Crochet pot cozies. Add charm to plain pots and make your green babies pop. Use natural tones for calm vibes or bright colors for statement pieces. Either way, so Instagram worthy. Then we have table runner. Let's add elegance. A crochet table runner transforms any dining space. Try lace patterns or fillet crochet for that light, airy texture. Add tassels at each end for an extra fancy finish. Totally Pinterest table goals. You can never have too many cute organizers. Crochet baskets are perfect for holding yarn, skincare, or little desk items. Use thick cotton yarn for structure and match colors with your decor. So functional yet so pretty. Next, we have curtain tie backs. Bring softness to your windows. Add floral appliques or beads to make them pop. It's a subtle project that screams handmade love. Next, we have mug cozy. They keep your drink warm and protect your hands. Make them in pastel shades with little heart buttons. Perfect gift ideas too. Number 10, we have table coasters. Simple, quick, and so satisfying. Next on the list is couch arm organizer. This one's a genius. A crochet couch arm organizer keeps remotes, phones, and notebooks right where you need them. Use sturdy stitches like half double crochet for durability. Totally functional yet aesthetic. Next, we have candle holder covers. For that dreamy glow, crochet delicate covers for your candle jars. Use fine cotton and lace patterns so the light peeks through beautifully. Romantic, calming, and also Pinteresty. Next, we have crochet clock frame. Upgrade a plain wall clock by crocheting around the frame. It's quirky, creative, and nobody else will have one like it. Go pastel pink, lavender, or cream to keep it subtle sweet. Next, we have chair seat cushions. Make your dining chairs extra comfy with crocheting seat cushions. Use foam inside for softness and tie them with yarn strings. The mix of texture and color transforms plain chairs into cozy art pieces. Mirror border, oh my goodness, I so love this. Crochet a border around a mirror frame using lace or shell stitch. Add softness and a handmade sparkle to your vanity. Next is bed runner. You've seen hotel beds with those fancy runners, right? Make your own crochet version. Use gradient yarn for a color fade effect. It looks luxurious and totally unique. Functional doesn't have to be boring. Crochet a breathable laundry bag. Mesh pattern works best. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and cute enough to hang in your room. Crochet a hanging wall pocket. It's perfect for stationery, keys, or crochet hooks. You will stay organized. Crochet a floral door wreath using your favorite colors. Mix roses, daisies, or even mini pumpkins for seasons. It's a fun way to decorate. Lampshade cover. Oh, and to finish over home decor section, we're having this lampshade cover. Soft patterns let the lights glow beautifully, creating that dreamy baby pink ambience. It's cozy, elegant, and super unique. Now that's a wrap. Wasn't that such a vibe? Up next, we are moving into crochet fashion and accessories. Trust me, you want your hook ready for this ones. We have crochet crop top. Okay, you're gonna love this one. Crochet crop tops are literally a summer essential, comfy, and totally customizable. Try using pastel yarns for that dreamy, soft aesthetic. Pair it together with jeans or skirts, and you've got that effortless crochet fashion vibe. Oversized cardigans are a crochet dream come true. Use chunky yarns and neutral shades like beige or dusty pink. Once you make one, you want a closet full of them. Next, we have bucket hats. Bucket hats are still trending, and yes, crochet ones are even cuter. You can go classic solid colors or playful checkerboard styles. Plus, they are quick to make and perfect a sunny days or for beach trips. Next, we have crochet scarf. Try a rib texture or color block pattern. Next, we have beanie or slouchy beanie. Crochet beanies are the go-to beginner accessory. You can make them plain, ribbed, or with a cute pom-pom on top. Look cozy, cute, and handmade with love. Fingerless gloves keep your hands warm. Add a little scallop edge for extra flair. They look boutique made when you're done. The next, we have crochet halter top. This one's one of my fave actually. Crochet halter tops are stylish, light, and fun to customize. Use open lace designs for beach vibes or tighter stitches for daily wear. Next, we have crochet shorts. If you've never made crochet shorts, you're really missing out. They are fun, flirty, and surprisingly easy. Add a drawstring waist and maybe a cute scallop hem. Perfect for summer festivals or lounging at home. Next on the list, we have crochet sweater vests. Sweater vests are back and better than ever. Crochet ones are lightweight and adorable for layering. Mix texture like pairing granny squares on the front and rib side for a stylish handmade look. Crochet skirts are trending again. You can do midi, maxi, name it, even layered styles. Try alternating rows of mesh and solid stitches to create a soft see-through details. Totally Pinterest worthy outfits. Crochet shawls are basically wearable art. Try triangular ones for a classic style or rectangular wraps for easy layers. They are also great gifts because everyone loves a warm hug in yarn form. Crochet earrings are lightweight, colorful, and super trendy. Use thin cotton yarn and metal hooks for structure. Crochet necklaces. You can add pearls, beads, or even small crocheted flowers. It's delicate, pretty, and a total conversation starter whenever you wear it. Crochet headbands can be white for cozy looks or thin for elegant tones. Add bows or buttons to make them pop, and they double as great gifts too. Crochet scrunchies are adorable. Stash busters are perfect for beginners. You can use velvet yarn for a luxurious touch plus. They never leave hair dents. Crochet belts. Use tight stitches so it's strong enough to wear. Add wooden rings or beads for that handmade vibe. Great for dresses or high-waist jeans. Next on the list is crochet poncho. A crochet poncho screams cozy chic. You can go full boho with fringe or keep it minimal with solid colors. Crochet socks are the ultimate cozy night project. Try ribbed cuffs for extra comfort. Next we're having crochet slippers. They are soft, warm, and great for gifts. Add pom-poms or fox fur edging to make them even cuter. They are like walking on little clouds. Now that's a wrap for fashion accessories. Which of these would you rock first? Next up, we are diving into crochet bags and storage ideas. First on section 3, a crochet tote bag is like your ultimate everyday companion. Perfect for groceries, school, or beach days, and looks so good with any outfits. Granny square bags. They are bright, funky, and customizable. Mix vibrant colors or stick to pastel tones for that soft aesthetic look. Reusable crochet market bags. They stretch beautifully and hold so much stuff. Use net size stitches for that airy, lightweight feel. Crochet crossbody bags are perfect for daily errands or coffee dates. Choose neutral colors so it matches everything. Next we have crochet backpack. Use sturdy stitches like single crochet and add linings for structure. You can even make mini versions for kids or matching sets for your bestie. Next on the list is crochet hook case. Keeps your tools neat and travel ready. Add pockets for scissors, markers, and needles. Next, we're moving into something extra cute and creative. Crochet toys and gifts. And then the first on the list is crochet teddy bear. Switch up the colors, make tiny outfits, or even add a bow tie. Perfect gifts for birthdays or baby showers. Next, we have crochet bunnies. Long floppy ears, pastel yarn, and a tiny pink nose. They are beginner friendly and make the perfect Easter or springtime gift. Now we move over to crochet flowers. Crochet flowers are so cute and adorable. No watering needed. You can turn them into hairpins or gifts. Mix colors and petal shapes for a full floral vibe. For babies or pets, crochet soft balls are the best. Use bright colors, stuff them with fiber fill, and make them washable. You can even add gentle bells inside for a sensory twist. Crochet snowmen are festive, cozy, and perfect for gifting or decor. Add scarves, hats, or even light inside. Totally winter wonderland vibes. Now that's a wrap. 50 cute and amazing ideas you should try out. Which of these would you be trying out first? I would love to know. And if you love these ideas, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified on new crochet ideas.